Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Grinch filter on Instagram. And then once you have the filter on Instagram, you could then record a video of yourself with that filter and save it to your camera roll and post it onto TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media that you would like to. Now, it's very easy to get the Grinch filter. All you have to do is go over to Instagram. And what you want to do is just go on the little plus icon on your story, like you're creating a story. And then you want to scroll all the way to the right here until you see Browse Effects. Once you find Browse Effects, you just want to go to the search and just search for Grinch, just like this. And then my personal favorite one right here is the cartoon Grinch. I think it looks the best. So just go ahead and click on that one. And then you can either try it out here or you can save it to your filters by clicking on Saved Filters. If you don't like this one, though, there is a couple different ones you guys can look at here. So just feel free to go through here and click on Try It for the ones that you want to try out and see which one that you like the best. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get Grinch filter on Instagram. If this video did help, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.